Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forest coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be looking at the USDCHF. But before we get started to break down this chart and this currency pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice, but we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as a trader and help put some extra money in your pocket, okay? Especially in these troubling times. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and break down what's happening with the CHF USD first, starting with the CHF. Okay, so we're actually coming into this mid part of our trading week with the CHF as one of those currencies that's kind of right there in the middle. It's not so much strong, it's not so much weak. It's kind of what you call lukewarm, but it does have long term inherited weakness from it, and this is more so to do with geopolitics than to do with any type of economic measures. And this has to be related to the geopolitics that's related between the Russian and Ukrainian war. As long as that war is still raging on, we're not going to have any type of stability in the European markets. And due to instability in the European markets, that causes the major three currencies, which is CHF, British pound, and the euro to grow weak, to get weak. Okay. So even though we're so, it does have inherited weakness for the long term due to the war that's been going on between Russia and Ukraine. But at this present point, it's kind of right there in the middle. It's not one of our stronger currencies. It's not one of our weaker currencies. It's kind of like right there in the middle. Okay. Now the USD, we're coming into this mid part of our trading week with the USD technically from a technical standpoint showing strong on the charts, but from a fundamental standpoint, it's very weak. We'll explain both aspects on it. So, from a technical standpoint on the charts, it is showing as strong, and the reason why it's showing as strong is because around 2 o'clock today Eastern time, we're going to have the Feds are going to basically increase the interest rate, and this increase in anticipation of the increased interest rate is causing the USD to act as if it is strong. But with the FUD surrounding the USD, which is the fear, uncertainty, and doubt, the more negative news than positive news coming out about the USD, and plus the inability of the United States to get the inflation in control and gas under control. This is causing the USD to be, from a fundamental standpoint, very weak, and is causing the American economy to go into a recession. Okay. So with that being said, we're gonna have to wait for the weakness to actually kick in on the charts with the USD. But the USD, even though it's behaving as strong on the charts, is actually very weak. Okay. So what we're going to be looking for is anticipation of a price drop, and how far price or drop is will be depending on not so much which currency is stronger than the other. It would be dependent on which, so it would be more so dependent on which currency is weaker than the other. Okay. So if the CHF is weaker than the USD after the dust settles, once the Fed drops the interest rate, then what we're going to see is that we're going to see a drop in price, but we're going to see a drop in price with very choppy, crappy candles before it continues to go back up. But if the USD is weaker than the CHF, then what we're going to see is we're going to see very strong, very large volume candles, and which price will be coming down. So we're anticipating a drop in price, but that drop in price is going to let us know whether we're looking at price turnover or whether we're just looking at a moderate to aggressive retracement. So if we're coming down to our price points to around this area here with very choppy, sloppy candles, then it's looking like we're going to be having just some temporary retracement, and price is going to be continue to go up. Okay. But if we have very large red candles coming in, then we can safely say that this is going to be price turnover and will be continuing to go down. Okay. Now, if you guys enjoy our content, we ask that you guys please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribing to our YouTube channel will allow you to get updates and notifications on every time we drop new trading forex content. Also, we ask that you guys please like and share our videos. Liking and sharing our videos allows our content to get pushed further out there in YouTube, so we can continue to grow our community of profitable traders. Because our goal is to grow a community, our goal is to grow a community of profitable traders. Excuse me, sorry about that. And also, last but not least, please reach out to us and let us know what type market analysis videos you guys want to see, so we know how to best accommodate and serve you. Okay, you can reach out to us by either leaving a comment on whatever video that you do watch, or what you can do is reach out to us either through email, on social media, The links to our email and our social media is going to be in the description of every video too. And also, we're going to also be dropping videos that's not so much, it's going to be explaining what's happening in the markets, but we're going to be more so explaining it from a fundamental standpoint, where we're not going to be so much focusing on the charts, where we're going to be discussing what is fundamentally happening with the currencies or the commodities and securities that we trade and that we look at, okay? So those videos are going to be based off of articles, and I strongly advise you guys to check those out too, because it will give you a very good understanding of the game and how the game is played. And also, last but not least, I would like to thank you guys for subscribing to our YouTube channel. I would like to thank you guys for all your support for Black Forex. Our channel is growing, the viewership is picking up, the memberships is picking up, and we're really starting to grow and we're starting to pick up steam. So I appreciate everything that you guys are doing. Please just keep, keep trading, keep watching, keep learning, and it's only going to get better from here, okay? Thank you for everything and happy trading.